crazy scientist here at Team Turla Academy. And I changed a little bit today. I don't know if you see me, I slipped up. I got this headband from Reagan. She let me borrow it. Now I look like David Beckham in good days and better. And today with me, I have my assistant. These are my new assistant by the ugly glasses wearing. His name is Chase. Here's my student. Horrible handwriting. I'm gonna fix that. Fix it? Yes or no? Anyways, he's being a little shy. But today we have an awesome experiment. And what I would like to ask everybody is, who has ever made air bubbles? Now, what do we need for air bubbles? We need soap, right? And a lot of wind, like it's today. Since today is a windy day, we're going to make air bubbles. Does that sound good?
Yep. Yes.
So, we have our soap, and we have our little container. So, we're windy.
That's too windy. Don't pop that.
Whoa, so close. Now try doing it up. Try doing it in the air. It might fall.
Hey! Was that cool or what?
Yeah!
This has been another great experiment by the crazy scientists here at Team Turla Academy. You guys have fun?
Yeah!
Was that the best one ever?
Yeah!
You're joking.
All right, guys, let's get back to work. Good job.
Joking.
Just kidding. Bring it back. Bring it
You
back.
got it.
Okay, so in that experiment, we use bubble. Okay, in that experiment, we use bubble, dishwashing fluid, and we blew air into it. Today, we're going to, instead of blowing air, well, actually, we blew carbon dioxide. I use my mouth, right? Sometimes we use the wind, the oxygen, carbon dioxide. Now, carbon dioxide is what we breathe out. What do we breathe in?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. We breathe out carbon dioxide. Carbon comes from the food we eat, and through a magical process, all these gases inside of our bodies have to go up, or otherwise we blow up, right? The thing I want to tell you is that I have a special type of ability where I can get carbon dioxide and I breathe it into a bottle, and then I put it in the fridge and I froze it, my own carbon dioxide. And in here, I'll show you later, I have a little bit of carbon dioxide frozen. Now, what is cool about carbon dioxide frozen is that it is a molecule that when it's solid, it doesn't go into liquid like most things, right? Gallium, it was in liquid, it went back to solid, right? And then from solid, it went back to liquid when we put it in our hands, correct? Remember that experiment?
Yeah.
Carbon dioxide goes from solid, okay, straight all the way into a gas. Now, you don't see the carbon dioxide here because it's very spread out. It's not very cold, okay? When we freeze carbon dioxide to a solid, it takes a temperature of negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I think one of the coolest nights in Florida, you know, is it doesn't even get to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, so imagine negative 109 degrees. That's why we wear gloves like this to make sure we don't burn our hands. Okay, you ready to make some carbon dioxide frozen bubbles?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect this device. This is a water pump. Okay, so now I have my device. I'm going to plug it in here, make the bubble to make it evaporate. All right, so actually sublimate. Get back, and now watch.
Oh my god. That's real science. That's mad science.
I've seen this. You can hold it on your hand.
Is it hot?
No. You need to glove though.
Oh! It is so funny.
How does it
It's farting sound. Look, dude, how does it happen?
How do you do that?
I want to do it at home.
All right, you can touch down.
No, don't. No, not the ones that. Oh, guys, what is
So cool.
Oh. No.
That is cool. Look on your hand.
Oh.
So this carbon dioxide is heavier, right, than the one that I breathe in because it's going down, right? It's more dense.
How do you do that? Okay. Yeah, I don't know.
Well, this is the way to blow up someone. This is the way to blow up.
Oh boy.
This is the way to blow up.
Move back! 5 feet!
How big is that gonna get? Oh my gosh.
Oh. Give me another one! Give me another one!
Now. No.
So here we are. We had another great day of science at Team Law Go Getters After School program. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
You want to play with dry eyes more next time?
Yes.
All right, guys, let's go have some fun. Let's go play some soccer. Now, the crazy scientist is going to show off his messy life skills. Pay attention at school this kid. Replay. I win. I'm here with my main man, Gustavo. Okay? And Gustavo and I today are going to do something amazing. Where do we live right now? In Naples,